to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I will show you how to make in just few minutes this amazing gingerbread cake. Best cake you ever taste, full of beautiful spice and chocolate aroma. And I hope you enjoy. To make quick gingerbread cake I need honey, brown sugar, butter, cinnamon, vanilla, orange extract, ginger, nutmeg and cocoa, and 1 tablespoon of coffee, plum butter, 2 eggs, milk, flour and baking soda. That's all, let's go started. The first step, I will combine all ingredients. Butter, 125 grams, sugar, half a cup, honey, 2 tablespoons, next orange extract, half a teaspoon, vanilla, 1 teaspoon, cocoa, 1 tablespoon, coffee, 1 tablespoon. I'll keep everything on a low heat. Next, ground ginger, half a teaspoon, cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, and nutmeg, half a teaspoon. And now I have to combine all my ingredients together. It will take no time. Now I'll put on the medium high, and the first part is almost done. Perfect, perfect. Everything is combined beautiful. Wow. You can smell cinnamon and the ginger. It'll be fantastic. Very quick recipe. Looks like it's ready, and let it stay to cool down for a few minutes. Everything cooled down, and now I can add more ingredients. 2 eggs, cup of milk, three tablespoons of plum butter, I love plum butter, excellent addition. Yummy. Everything is almost combined. Now I will add 2 cups of flour, baking soda, and that's it. Everything is nice combined. I have very large baking pan. First step, I will butter breadcrumbs, this baking pan will be perfect. Very large and good for 1 cake. If you don't have the large one, you can use 2 smaller size. Next step, I will bake in the oven in 350 degrees. Gingerbread cake done. I bake for 35 minutes. To make chocolate frosting, I use chocolate and 4 tablespoons of milk. I pour just a little bit of water and a bowl on the top, and I will cook this. I will put chocolate and milk, and I will make the chocolate frosting. The chocolate is melted. Decorate gingerbread cake with chocolate glaze and with almonds and glaze orange peels. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up, please like, share and comment and subscribe for more recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.